In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Opus Clip for a webinar recording. To get started, open Opus Clip and sign into your account. Once you're in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all the upload and clipping options are available. This is important because you'll want to make sure everything is ready before bringing in your webinar recording. When the dashboard is visible, locate the field labeled Drop a YouTube link. If your webinar recording is already hosted online, copy the webinar link and paste it directly into that field. This is usually the fastest option when your recording is already available on YouTube or through a shareable video link. If your webinar recording is saved locally on your computer instead, you can use the Upload option to add the file from your device. And if the recording is stored in Google Drive, click Google Drive and select the webinar from there. Opus Clip gives you multiple ways to import content, so choose the one that matches where your webinar is currently stored. After that, wait for the webinar recording to load completely. Depending on the file size or internet speed, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the platform finish processing the source video. Once the recording is ready, click. Get clips in one click. At this point, Opus Clip will begin analyzing the webinar recording. It automatically scans the content to identify strong moments that can be turned into short highlight clips. Let it finish this process so the clips can be generated properly. This automation is especially helpful for webinars, since long recordings often contain multiple useful segments that are perfect for repurposing. When the clips are ready, review the generated results carefully. You'll usually see clip scores, which can help you identify the most engaging or potentially high-performing moments from the webinar. Use those scores as a guide, but also rely on your own judgment based on the message you want to share. Click on any clip to preview it. As you review each one, pay attention to both the content and the captions. Make sure the selected portion is clear, valuable, and accurate to what was said in the webinar. If necessary, make edits so the final clip feels polished and easy for your audience to follow. Once you're happy with the results, download the clips you want to use. From there, you can share them across social media platforms or send them directly to your audience as part of your content or marketing strategy. And that's it. You can now turn a single webinar recording into multiple short-form clips using Opus Clip and repurpose your most valuable webinar content for social media and marketing campaigns.